Hello Cancer, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here with your bi-weekly love reading. This will be from March 16th to the 31st. Cancer, we're going to go over two things in this video, but before I get to that, I just want to say that if this really does sound like your situation, this is truly resonating with you, I do offer extended readings, okay? The extendeds, we will go a lot deeper into the situation and find a solution for you, okay? If you're interested in that, I have a link or a website down below in the description box with that information, as well as in the beginning of the video I have the site that says extended readings there if you're interested, okay? So Cancer, in this video here for YouTube, we're going to go over two major things about your love connection right now. Is going to look at your feelings, the feels. How do you feel about your person? How does your person of interest feel about you? And also, what is your point of view about this person? And how does your person of interest view you? Okay, so how you feel and how you see. We're going to tap into two senses here, okay? All right, Cancer, let's get started. So Cancer, how you feel about this person during this time? It looks like you guys are really feeling like you want to spend more time with this person, okay? Some of you are lonely and you're tired of being lonely. Some of you may be single and you really want to see someone. You're trying to connect with someone, okay? Even if you're in a relationship, you want to work on things. You want to spend time with this person, okay? But I do feel that there's a wall up here for you, Cancer. I feel like there's a wall up here for you because maybe some of you are just not into playing mind games, okay? You guys are really serious about this connection, or you're serious about this person, or maybe you just want this person to take you seriously, but you're alone, okay? You feel like you're by yourself in something. You're tired of that. Some of you just want love. Some of you are super single and you're just calling love in. But if you do have a love interest, I do feel that maybe you're interested in this person and you want to be around them. But I do sense that you guys are feeling the need to practice self-control. As much as you want to be with this person, or as much as you want to speak with this person or be around this person, you guys are practicing self-control right now. It's kind of like you're holding yourself back. And I think that it's because you're just not wanting to play around with anyone. You don't want your heart being played with, and you don't want to be the one playing the games here. So you guys are maybe seeking advice at this time. You could be seeking counsel. That's probably why you're watching this video, Cancer, to be honest with you. You're seeking advice and help. Some of you are reading your horoscopes more. Some of you are reading more about love, or you're reading self-help books. Okay, there is something here that you're trying to do to improve yourself or increase your knowledge about a situation or a person, okay? It seems like, though, even in the midst of this, you're remaining hopeful about this connection. Some of you may want to open up more, feel like you should release yourself from burdens with the situation until things start moving the way you would like it to move, okay? For others of you, you may be removing yourself from the burdens that you've taken on with another person. So there's two ways I'm seeing this, Cancer. I'm seeing some of you having a person of interest and you're really wanting to connect with this person, but you're not trying to play games. You could feel like this is someone who may play mind games with you, or maybe this is just someone you're very, very serious about, but you practice this self-control because you don't want to get hurt, okay? For others of you, this is a situation where you are dealing with someone, or you have this person of interest, but there's another person in your life who you know is bringing burdens to your life, who you don't want to be with or don't want to connect with anymore, and you're really feeling like you should walk away from that connection, okay? So it's two sides of the story. Pick which one that fits for you. All right, so let's look at, how does your person of interest feel about things right now? So your person of interest, right now, I feel like this person is working smarter and not harder, okay? This person's focused on some aspect of their work right now. Maybe they're working really hard and they don't want to work hard at this time. This person's trying to work smarter. They're trying to come up with a way where their work is not overwhelming them, okay? This person, although they have a lot on their plate, They are in a pretty relaxed energy, I feel. Their emotions are under control. Their life is not going haywire here, okay? They're definitely balanced right now. They feel like for you, Cancer, that you're very easy to read. That's how they feel. So they kind of know why you're doing what you're doing. So if you're holding yourself back because you don't want to give so much to them, they can sense that. They can pick that up about you. They can read your energy really well. They know that you're doing this for a reason, okay? They know that right now you're seeking answers. They can feel that. They know that you are inquiring about them at this time. This person is aware intuitively of what you're trying to do or how you feel about something. They are reading you. They know what you want. They know what you need. They know what you're looking for, okay? This person feels like it's just a matter of time before they give you everything that you're looking for if you let them in, okay? There's a big emphasis here on you letting this person in fully, Cancer. This person wants to be in your life. They want to be there, I feel, but it's like, are you going to let me in? Are you going to trust the situation? Are you going to open up more? Are you going to talk? Are you going to, allow me to show you that I am a trustworthy person that you can count on? Okay. This person feels like they're waiting on you to make them the first. Okay, so it's like, especially for those of you who have two different people in a situation, this person, your person of interest, wants you to put them as number one. They don't want you to, deal with a burdensome relationship that you've been dealing with. They want to be in your life as that number one person, okay? This person wants you to choose them. This is like a pick me kind of person, I feel. Or maybe they're fighting for your love, or they see you in a really messed up situation and they're trying to get you to open up more to them or consider them. For some of you, take it how it fits. But this is someone who wants to be number one in your life, I feel. They really are wanting to come in, okay? So that was the feels here, okay? That's their feelings. That's your feelings, Cancer. Let's move on to the point of view. So this will be how you two see each other, all right? What you see in them, what they see in you. So Cancer, the way you see this person is that this is someone who you know is intuitive. You know this. If you're a male Cancer watching this, then this is a female who you know is connected to the moon, or she has a strong sun sign or moon sign. Could be in Cancer, could be in Pisces, could be in Scorpio, could be in Taurus, could be in Aries, could be in Aquarius, okay? Doesn't matter where it is for this person, for this woman, but you guys know that this person is very intuitive, okay? This person knows things. I feel like Now, if you're female Cancer, it really doesn't matter what your gender is. This person is still intuitive. You can tell that this person is picking up things about your energy, your behavior. They can read you, and you know this, okay? You also see this person shining a light on certain things within this connection in order to make progress with you. Like, you can see that this person knows what you're trying to hide or what you're trying to keep to yourself. And they know that, you know that this person has the ability to reveal the truth to you about things whenever you're ready. It's like this person knows that they can bring you some information that you may or may not want to hear, but they know that you're not ready to hear it or you're not ready to know it, okay? This person, whether it's good or bad, this person wants to shine a light on the truth about their feelings, but they hadn't gotten the opportunity to do that with you yet, and this person's curious about how you feel before they give you this information, or this is someone who is hiding things from you or hiding how they feel, and they want to reveal these things to you, okay? So it's something about the truth being revealed, and that's how you see them, okay? Remember, this is just how you see this person, Cancer. It's like you see this person having things that they want to tell you or that they should tell you, okay? You see them as being a very curious person, someone who's just being nosy in your life, or someone who wants to find out more information about you, okay? You see them as being very curious about you. You also see this person as someone who wants to move quickly with things. They want to move you quickly, or they want to move the connection forward quickly. All right. This person is, you see, has been getting into intuitive nudges about something within this connection, or their intuition is telling them there's something is going on with you. This person you see as someone who is trying to gain more clarity about you or about this situation. But this person, you know, is not going to just come out and ask you certain things. They're not going to come out and say certain things. I think what you're picking up about them, Cancer, or what you see, is that this person is just really trusting in the divine right now. You know that this person wants to talk to you about something. You know that this person wants to tell you something, that they want to call you, that they want to connect with you or reach out to you. But you know that this person has been holding themselves back as well. This person is not really holding themselves back out of deceit or malicious ways. I think that this person is holding themselves back because they're trusting in God to make this happen. They're waiting on God to shine a light on things for them first so that they can then do it for you. Okay? This person is wanting that connection with you. I do sense that. They do. And I sense that you do too. But this person's following their intuition here. Okay? That's what you see. Now, what does this person see for you, Cancer? How do they see you? This person sees you as someone who is also highly intuitive. Okay, the intuition is playing a major role within this connection at this time. This person knows that you're very intuitive, that you can pick up on energy really easily. They feel like you can read the room, okay? This person sees that you sometimes can allow your imagination to merge with your intuition and then come up with conclusions that either work or do not work within the connection. Like, they're aware of your mind, your mental capacity here. They know that you're very smart. They know that you have a unique way of seeing things. They know that if you really put your mind to something, then you can create something big, okay? Whether it's financially, whether it's romantically, they know that you have so much great potential. They also see you being playful, Cancer. They see you being playful. It could be that you're being a little childlike about something. You're being a little youthful, a little childish about something, or you're being childish about them. You have a childish approach to the connection. Maybe you have an immature way of expressing your feelings, or the fact that you're not expressing yourself or not coming to this person is making them feel like you're a little immature. But this person sees you still being the answer. That's deep. This person sees you still being the answer to their love life problems. Like, the way they feel about you has not changed. Okay, the way they feel about you has not changed. Their intuition is letting them know that you're still the answer, Cancer. This is a highly psychic connection. This connection is psychic. It's a psychic connection, okay? And what does psychic mean? That means that you guys see each other's psyche. You can see each other's mind. So you guys have telepathy within this connection. You can communicate with each other telepathically. You can send messages to each other that you just know, okay? It's not your own thoughts that you're getting sometimes. Sometimes it's the thoughts of this person, okay? This person sees you as someone who's doubting the connection. You're doubting the relationship. You have doubts about it. You don't think that it's a real relationship, or you don't think that it's a relationship that can move forward. Or maybe you don't think you guys are going to start having a relationship. They see you doubting a connection here. They see you feeling like, are you good enough? They see you feeling like are you good enough for them? Okay, you could be younger than this person, and they know that your age is playing a part in this connection. Or maybe you're having issues with work or money, and they're wondering, are they good enough? Or maybe going back to that scenario in the beginning, if you are dealing with someone else, they're trying to figure out, why haven't you chosen them yet, Cancer, instead of still sticking to something that's not making you happy. So they're wondering, like, are they good enough? Or maybe they see you asking, are you good enough, because they're tied up with someone else. They don't want you to feel like you're not good enough to be in their life, okay? But this person sees that you have limits, you have limitations. You've placed limitations within this connection where they can't really tap into your energy as much as they want to, or they can't get close to you. They feel like there's a boundary, a wall, something blocking you, but they want to be in your life though, okay? So this person is really just seeing you kind of similar to how you see them. Like you see them trusting in the divine to move things or to reveal things to you. They see you letting the universe take care of the how, okay? So they know that there's a connection there. They know that there's love there. They know that they want to be with you. They know that you want to be with them. It's just that you don't know how you're going to be able to do this right now, or you don't know how things are going to come together yet. You don't know how to approach them, maybe. You don't know how to talk to them, or you don't know how to open up to them. There's something that this person sees that you don't know how to do. And they're giving you like these nudges telepathically. They're communicating with you in the 5D, trying to get you to come to me, talk to me, tell me how you feel. Okay, that's how this person wants you to be. They want you to come to them. All right. So yes, Cancer, that is all I have for you guys. This is going to wrap up your end of March. And again, if you want to go deeper, all right, because when we go to the extended reading, in those readings, we're going to look at your intentions and their true intentions towards you. What does this person really want with you? We're going to look at that. And we're also going to look at some angel messages, some guidance about what you should do to handle all of this energy for the last 2 weeks in March, and what should they do, okay? It's going to be advice that only helps to move something forward or bring success of love into your life, okay? So if you're interested in that, the link is down below in the description box. Thank you so much, Cancer. God bless you. Bye-bye.